So right here, I'm just going through looking for different samples, waiting for something to hit me with inspiration, and this sample was the one. This hook came to me super fast, within like 5 minutes. I actually was working on that this morning, but I ran out of time. That's a good one. And now I'm trying to get the drums right, and I ended up realizing that I needed to slow the sample down a little bit. It was just too fast initially. I've now filtered the sample out, which is why it sounds a little muted, and that's one of my main tricks to create more space for the vocals. I like to just like get stuff down. Like I just want to have at least something recorded, and then I feel like I can always add to it later.
Yeah, this is the boring part. Hey,
me and Mafer have a really good time just messing around most of the time, but that's bloopers for another video.
Hey, this is the boring. Hey. Yeah, see her from blood on the clothes, facing my demons and dealing with doubt. Coach been telling me stay on my toes. Thanks for the love songs, that's just what it gotta be. Yeah, I keep it blood. I just said no to weed.
A critical and important point of beat making is having patience to learn how to deal with it when the program. We had way too many plugins going on, so we had to reset and try again. Work with what you got.
Thank for the love songs, that's just what it gotta be. Yeah, I keep it blurred.
So now I'm putting on an initial mix, kind of seeing the holes where I need to fill in and what the track still needs.
Hey,
Ad-lib still. I got to finish up the doubles. I got to cut out the breaths. But I think we did good today. I think this will be fun. I think this will be a fun song. It's my frontera. Fronteo. This is Mafer trying to teach me Spanish.
Fronteo.
And me failing miserably.
Eso. Spanish is hard, bro.
Yeah, chasing the green like an artist. Just getting started, I'm just being honest.
I feel like this track wrote itself. Another one of those that just happened pretty quickly just because the energy was there, we were having a good time, and I think it turned out alright.
Jealousy in it till I make it work. Look.